A judge has ruled against the city of Burlington in a police use of force case. The ACLU of Vermont sued the city on behalf of a Burlington mom. She says police used excessive force and discriminated against her 14-year-old son. ABC 22's Matt Holderman live now in the newsroom to explain all of this further. We did first tell you about this case several months ago. So what's next here, Matt?
Right, Lauren. Well, this is the case of Kathy Austrian and her son, who is black and whose name has not been released. Austrian says back in 2021, when her son was 14 years old, he stole vape pens from a gas station, and so she called Burlington police to speak with him. But she says police and paramedics used more than just their words. She says they used unreasonable force against her son when he refused to give them all but one vape pen. The city asked for the case to be dismissed, but a judge ordered it to move forward as usual.
I think this update was really a long time coming.
After months of anticipation, a Vermont Superior Court judge says a case of unreasonable force against the city of Burlington will go forward. The lawsuit accuses Burlington police officers and paramedics of acting with racial bias in an intense 2021 incident involving a 14-year-old boy of color. The city wanted the case dismissed, but the judge rejected that motion.
So getting this decision that the case is able to proceed on all counts is one step closer to getting the accountability that J.A. and Kathy are long overdue.
The ACLU of Vermont brought the lawsuit forward, and staff attorney Hillary Rich tells me the city argued that the Vermont Fair Housing and Public Accommodations Act should not apply to police and fire departments in situations like this one. But she says the court not only disagreed with the city on that, it agreed with the ACLU that body cam footage and other pieces of evidence indicate racial bias was at play when police handcuffed Austrian's son and when paramedics sedated him.
Police are not above the law. They still need to honor the anti-discrimination principles that we expect from all who serve the community. It's very, I think, validating to see that that excuse was so flatly rejected in this case, and at this stage, qualified immunity does not protect the city.
The lawsuit will now proceed as usual, and while there hasn't been an exact timeline shared as to what happens next, Rich says Austrian's goal remains clear.
Kathy's focus has been on making sure that this doesn't happen to any other family.
And we reached out to the Burlington City Attorney's Office for comment today, but have not heard back. For now, reporting live in the newsroom, Matt Holderman, ABC 22 News.